Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add me as a user to your Google Analytics. So you're going to go to google.com/analytics and then sign in, and you should be able to view your Google Analytics. You should be logged into your Google account when you do this, and you should be able to see your Google Analytics. If you don't see it up here, you can click here and you can do a search and search for it, but this is my Google Analytics for my website so you can see it. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to click on this little gear symbol down in the bottom left. If you don't see it, and just put your mouse over the side and the side section will pull up, and then you'll see it, and click on admin. And then over here, you're going to click Account Access Management. And this is where you're going to see all of your users. So what I need you to do is add this user, support@yoursiteneedsme.com, by clicking the plus symbol right here and clicking Add Users. You're going to put my email address up here, check Notify New Users by Email, and choose Administrator, and then Add. And then I can manage your Google Analytics to connect it to your website and connect it to your Google Search Console and so on and so forth. Make sure it's always connected and working so your traffic analytics are in your website and so that you have the access to everything that you need. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.